If you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we can check if you already have this option built in, because in some regions or in some cases this option is already available on this phone. So we can go to the phone app, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. And if there is the call recorder option, then usually you have a setting that is called record calls or something similar to that available somewhere over here. Maybe even if you scroll down, you might be able to find it. And in that case, if you are in a call, you should be able to find a button somewhere on the left side in the call menu in order to start recording. Now, unfortunately, in my case, the recording option is not available, but this is still not an issue because we can download an app from the Play Store that allows us to record calls. So I'm gonna go to the Play Store and I'm gonna search for ACR Cube. This is an app that I have been using so far and it works just fine. We're gonna install it, and besides this one we will also need to install a helper. So while we are installing this one, in the meantime we can also go to the store, so the Galaxy store that we have on our phone, and let's search for Cube ACR, but helper. So Cube ACR helper, and this is also the app that we wish to install. It is actually great that it is available in the Galaxy Store, but unfortunately I believe it is not available in the Play Store. So first we're gonna go through this app. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Let's press open, let's go next, and let's grant permissions so that of course the app can record calls. Now we need to enable App Connector, so we need to go to Accessibility, find and enable App Connector. So let's press this button. Let's go to Installed Apps, Cube ACR App Connector, and turn it on, and press Allow. Then we have Power Optimization, so let's press OK, press Allow, and there we go. Now we can press Open Cube ACR, so we are now moving to the main app. At this point it should be installed. If not, then wait for the app to be downloaded and installed, and then go to the Cube ACR app, the main one that we downloaded from the Play Store. And then let's press Next. Let's grant permissions. There we go. Alright, now we have power optimization again, so let's press OK, let's allow. I'm gonna allow, although I'm sure it is not really necessary to do so. Geotagging doesn't have to be enabled, so I'm gonna press no thanks, and let's press OK, got it. Over here we have premium feature offer, but we can press this X in the top right corner. Let's do this twice. And there we go, now we have the app ready to go. We can tap on these three lines in the top left corner in order to find some additional settings. So we can go through, for example, recording and so on, in order to set up the app for yourself. And at the top we also have enable recording, so this should be enabled. And what is pretty good about this app is that it has auto recorder, so when we start the call, then we will start recording as well, or the app will start recording. So let me actually call myself. I'm gonna answer the call. There we go. And now if you go to settings, sorry, not settings, the notifications, you will see that the helper is active and automatic call recording is now in progress. From what I've noticed, the only thing that you need to know about, or worry about maybe, is that the call has to last longer than approximately 5 seconds. Unfortunately, if the call is shorter, then the app cannot pick up the call and it won't start recording just in time. So after like 5 seconds, the app starts recording, and then there are no issues after that with recording the call. So once it is done, once you hang up, then you can go to the app. So let's open it. And then over here you should be able to find the call recording. So we can press this play button in order to listen to the recording. And of course we can tap on these three dots in order to find even more options. And that is essentially it. Of course, if you want this app to not automatically record, then you just have to go through the settings in order to turn off the automatic recording. And that is pretty much it. If you don't like this app for some reason, if you find it not convenient or something, then of course feel free to try any other third-party app that we have, for example, in the Play Store. I'm not really recommending using it. It's not like it is the only app that we can use. This is just a suggestion and just to show that there are apps that can record phone calls. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!